I am already on the gas, running red lights, so probably doing this every day, I know. Probably should be able to take a break, I know. Feel real calm, start to break on the summer night, down if you cut, no, down if you cut, no, down if you cut, no, nothing if you.
Hi guys, hi everyone. Happy Sunday and happy Mother's Day. Binabati ko po lahat ng mga yung from my family to my friends ng Happy Nanay's Day sa lahat. So sana'y stay safe po tayong lahat lalo na sa panahon ngayon. Happy Mother's Day! Ayan. Nakadress ang lola. Gusto niyo po makita. Ayan. Girl na girl ako ngayon guys. Kasi Mother's Day. Keep on watching!
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine. Every cloud has a silver lining, wait for the sunshine. Every rainbow comes after it's been raining, jumping the puddles and laugh. Go ahead and lift your head high, nothing can keep you down. Go ahead and lift your head high, give it just one more try. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine. With every morning comes a new chance to start over. Every day is a treasure. Live in the present cause that's all of you got. Each second is a blessing. Go ahead and keep your chin up. I think you are beautiful. Go ahead and keep your chin up. I think you're wonderful. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late.
Ayan ang shout out sa mga friend ko dyan sa Tambayan, sa Dubigot. Happy Mother's Day kay Ate Lady, kay Insan Lingling, Bibi Gayas. Happy Mother's Day. I love you guys. At sa mga single dyan, bilisan nyo na. Mga expired na ang mga matres. binabati ko rin po lahat ng mga ka-team ko dyan. Yung mga ka-team ko, Bisaya team, at saka team Walang Iwanan. Si HK Bird, Ginaline Vlog, Ginaline Mahilong Lim, si Maricel Cooking Hobby. Ayan, Happy Mother's Day. Enjoy Gini TV. Mami, Happy Mother's Day. Caroline, Joy Gallego, Joyce Vargas, Jacob J, on the way na ako sa'yo. And Virgis Journey, Ana Tarsana, Mother Vlog. Ayan, sino pa ba? Ayan, sa Sumba team, hindi ko alam kung sino yung mga moms dyan. Ayan, Happy Mother's Day sa mga nanay. Kung sino-sino man kayo dyan. Hindi ko kasi, kung nanay ka na. Sabay ganun eh. Sumba. Ayan, thank you sa team mo, Sumba. Ayan. And, sino pa ba? Basta sa lahat po. Happy Mother's Day. And ganun din naman sa mga katrabaho ko dyan sa Pinas noon. Yan, kay Marilyn Monteclaro, kay Lynn Natlang, kay Buray, kay Eileen, kay Ate Gloria. Ayan, Happy Mother's Day po. Rose Disagon. Lahat ng mga katrabaho ko na na-miss na ako. At na-miss ko rin kayong lahat. Ayan, Happy Mother's Day sa lahat. Mga ka-Facebook friends. Ayan. Comment down below sa mga hindi ko na banggit. Pero lahat-lahat ng mga nanay po, Happy Mother's Day sa lahat. Thank you!